2nd of October. We're just starting harvest 2013. These are the crates all getting lined up and washed. And here are the ones that have just been delivered, full of gorgeous, luscious Sangiovese. They get tipped up one by one into this machine, which is what removes the stems. So you can see Jacopo, our cellarman, heaving in, pouring in the grapes. And then the stalks come shooting out this side. And the grapes come out here. As you can see, it's not my shaky hands for once. This is actually a vibrating selection table. And here we have 4 people who are selecting away, removing stalks that have got in by mistake, removing anything that's not perfect. And then the grapes go through a sort of splicer. See, they're already getting a bit smushed up here by these 2 rollers. Then they go through this part. And then down a tube. Almost whole, you can see there. They're not completely mashed up, they're quite entire. And then from there goes down into the wooden fermentation mats in our beautiful cellar, tumbling in. You can hear the splash of each pulse of grapes coming in. And this is the beginning of 2013 Brunello.